So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you want to find the drive that you want to repair without losing your data. So in my case, I want to be going with my Windows drive. So it has the Windows logo on it, so that's how I know it's the Windows drive, and it's called local disk C. So I know that the letter of the drive is called C. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're in here, we're going to type in chkdsk space, and then you want to put your drive letter name. So in my case, as I showed you earlier, for me it's going to be C as my drive letter name, and then you want to put a colon. Then you want to put a space, and then type in -F, and click on enter. Now you want to type in Y, which means yes, and then click on enter. And now you should want to restart your computer. Now as the computer is restarting, it's going to ask you about disk checking. Don't press on any key, which will not skip disk checking. So do not press any key, and now you want to run this disk checking right here. So if you don't press anything, then this will start. And it's going to start to repair your drive, and you won't lose any data. It might take a while, but yeah, that's how you do it.